Dear students, audience, viewers, all are welcomed on online class. I am S. M. Mahur Rahman, English Department, Pakar Government College. For Corona pandemic, we have to deliver our lecture on online class. Now, today, I hope you are all right. Thank you. Today, I am going to discuss WH questions. On expression, sentences are divided into 5, or sentences are of 5 types or expression. WH question is one of them. These sentences are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence. But interrogative sentences are divided into 2 types. One is yes no group and another is WH groups. The yes no group interrogative sentences start with auxiliary verb, but the WH groups are start with interrogative pronoun, interrogative adjective and interrogative adverb. If we ask yes or no, we can get the answer of yes no group, such as if we ask anybody a question, do it right, he can give the answer by yes or no. But if we ask anyone what do you eat, he cannot give the answer with yes or no. He has to indicate particularly the item of food. So WH question need a answer. And depending on this answer, WH questions are divided into 3 types. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are who is used for subject or who is for it is nominative case. Mainly it is used for nominative case, but whom is used for object, or it is mainly used for objective case. Whose is used for a person, or who, whom and which are used for person. Who is for subject, whom is for object and whose is for possessive. But what and which are used for animals or any things. On the other hand, interrogative pronouns are used for a person, a thing or a animal. On the other hand, interrogative adjective, when, who, whose, what and which are used before noun, they are called interrogative adjective. But when, whose, what and which are used before auxiliary verb, they are called interrogative pronoun. We have to transform the sentence into interrogative at the first time. he eats rice. We turn the sentence into interrogative. Does he eat? Does he eat is yes no group. But when we turn it into WS group, we have to take any WS group or interrogative pronoun, interrogative adjective or interrogative adverb. Rice, eat. Eat is a thing. We can use what for it. What does he eat? It is what is interrogative pronoun. Rommel went home. Here Rommel is a subject. Who is used for Rommel? Who went home? All are requested to attend the next class. In the next class, I hope all of you focus your attention on WS question.